How to fix Wi-Fi network not showing up on Windows 11. Method 1. Set the WLAN auto config service to start automatically. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type services.msc in the Run dialog and click OK. In the Services window, scroll down and find WLAN Auto Config. Right-click WLAN Auto Config and select Properties. Open the Startup Type drop-down menu and select Automatic. Click Start under the Service Status section. Then, select the Recovery tab. Open the first failure drop-down menu and select Restart the service. Click Apply and click OK. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Method 2. Disable and re-enable the Wi-Fi adapter. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type ncpa.cpl in the Run dialog and click OK. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, click Disable, and wait a few minutes. Then, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter again and click Enable. Method 3. Set the Wi-Fi adapter channel width to auto. Right-click the Start button and click Device Manager. In the Device Manager, expand the network adapters list and find your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click your Wi-Fi network adapter and click Properties. Select the Advanced tab. In the Property section, select the 802.11n channel width for 2.4 GHz option. Open the Value context menu and select Auto. You may also want to modify your adapter's power settings. Select the Power Management tab. Uncheck the Allow Computer to Turn Off Device to Save Power option. Click OK to save the settings. Method 4. Update or reinstall the Wi-Fi adapter driver. Right-click the Start button and click Device Manager. In the Device Manager, expand the network adapters list and find your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will scan your PC for the best available driver and install it. Alternatively, select Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Browse and select a driver downloaded from the hardware vendor's website. Or select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose a driver from the drivers list and click Next. Try selecting an older driver version. Click Close. Click the Scan for Hardware Changes button in the toolbar. If updating the driver didn't fix the issue, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and click Uninstall Device. Mark the attempt to remove the driver for this device checkbox and click Uninstall. Close the device manager window and restart your PC. After the restart, your PC will automatically install the default driver for your network adapter automatically. Method 5. Reset TCP/IP settings. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type CMD in the Run dialog and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open command prompt as an administrator. In the command prompt, type in netsh winsock reset and press Enter to execute the command. Then, type in netsh int ip reset log.txt and press Enter. Close the command prompt and restart your PC. Method 6. Configure wireless router settings. Open your web browser and go to the IP address or URL indicated at the bottom of the router. Enter the username and password and access the router's settings. The default name and password are also indicated at the bottom of the router. If your router is dual band and supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, go to the dual band settings and make sure that 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz are enabled. Then, go to the wireless settings and enable SSID broadcasting. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's duplicate file finder and big files finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel.